Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today, I feel a little bored and we're gonna do a little house tour, you know what I'm saying? Just a little update for some of you that didn't know. I am here in Guadalajara, Mexico, baby! I've been living here for 5 months now. I've been here in Guadalajara ever since August and it's now January. So, yeah, I've been here quite a long time. So, before we get started viewing my house, we are going to go upstairs and look at the roof, the view from the top. Alright, this is my floor. I live at fifth floor. And we are going to go up to the elevator. That is me right there. We're gonna go up to the roof, floor 13. And there we are going to see the view from the roof, the Guadalajara view from the roof. Alright, we're just gonna enter the 13th floor, which is the roof. Wonder if anyone's here. Hopefully no one's here. This is the roof. Oh, there's some people over there. Just gonna look at the roof. Okay, so this is the roof. We are out here. It's like a patio, and there's a bunch of tables where you can sit around and hang around with people. And this is the left side. This is Guadalajara right here, baby. There you go. So it's around the afternoon right now. It's like 7 p.m. so it's getting a little dark. So you can see right there, I'm zooming in right in. Fresco, Midtown Jalisco. That is where I usually do my shopping. And Fresco is a grocery store, and sometimes I buy my groceries. So over there, it's a bathroom at the roof. There's a grill here too. So you can see that some people are using it right now. And yeah, they're just having fun chilling at the roof. This is the other side. This is the right side. Same thing. A bunch of buildings, a bunch of houses that you can see. So yeah, that is it. So you can see there's a bunch of tables. There's a jacuzzi right there. There's a bunch of people that are hanging around. Alright, we are going down now. So for floor 13, we're gonna go back. Hey, that's me again. 5th floor, close it. So yeah, that is the rooftop view. There was a bunch of people and I didn't want to stay there for too long. Here we go again, entering 5th floor, which is my floor. This is piso 5, gestión 504. So how I get into my apartment is I have this card and I just tap it in like this. And then I tap in my code. I am not gonna show that to you guys. Unlock. Alright, there it is. So, this is the view of the entrance. Right when you enter the apartment is the kitchen. So here it is. This is an island in the kitchen. Of course, it got the fridge, my, essentials over here. A microwave, a stove, can't forget about the rice, a bunch of water bottles over here for recycling, and right inside here is the laundry room. The laundry room right here, and I store my mop and stuff like that. And this one is actually the heater, so I turn it on like this. As soon as I turn it on, it's in 45 degrees. I can make it higher or lower, but for now I'm just putting it on 45 degrees. I turn this on whenever I am using the shower. That way I don't have a cold shower. Here is my bike, mi bicicleta. I usually bike to work, bike to school. My bike ride is around 10 to 15 minutes depending on traffic. So yeah, I park it just right there. This is the dining table. This is where I don't eat here too often. I eat here most of the time. And this is where I eat my lunch, dinner, sometimes breakfast if I ever feel like it. I'm gonna pull this up, pull up the blinds. And this is the view of outside. There I can also open this whenever I want some fresh air. I have a Kia dealership right in front of me. That is the mall once again. And a bunch of hotel buildings over there and a bunch of office buildings, apartment buildings, and this is the bottom. Yep, that is pretty much the entrance of the apartment building. And yeah, gonna close this so mosquitoes won't go in. And then to the sala. Esa es mi sala, and this is my living room. I'm currently watching Lions and the Niners right now. So I'm connecting my laptop because I don't have a cable. So yes, apologies for not unpacking these. I've been a little bit lazy. Actually, that's been there for like 3 or 4 weeks now. Those were my luggage when I went to Cancun and when I went to Canada, back home for Christmas. So my apologies. So yes, I have 2 couches, one long couch and one little couch. Usually to get closer to the TV whenever I'm playing games. Yep, the PS5 right there, so you can tell. So yes, sometimes to get comfortable, because I don't want to sit here. I don't want to sit right here and play from this far from the TV. So sometimes I actually bring this couch over there, and sometimes this long couch too. I put it over here, somewhere close over here, so I can see the TV much closer. What else? What else? Yes, over here, just like, I think this space is for like the wardrobe, like putting like a big cabinet over here, but I don't have enough money for that. Here, a bunch of grocery bags. I have the yoga mat here. I have a weighing scale. Moving on from here is the first room to the left, a la izquierda. This is my first room. Ta-da! This is an empty room because I am not living with anybody. But yeah, here's the view from outside once again, and the window is a little bit open so I can. Sometimes it gets humid here, so I leave it a little bit open. But yeah, I can pretty much open it like this, spinning, all the way to the edge, and close it the same way, but I'm going on the other way. But yeah, I always leave it a little bit open like this, just to get the humidity out of the room. Have a bunch of stuff here, like closet. Once again, those are pretty empty because no one's living with me. But hey, if you ever try to visit Guadalajara, you have a spot to stay. Visitors actually come to here. I will actually buy some air mattress so that whoever can come visit me will have a room of their own and sleep comfortably. Okay, let's turn the lights off. As I go outside of the first room is my first bed. No, my first bed. My first bathroom. So this is the first bathroom. That's me again. Hello, hello. It has a toilet and a shower. So it has a sliding door. It has a sliding door to get in the shower. I haven't, like, throughout my 6 months here, 5 or 6 months here, I haven't used the shower. So if you ever come visit and you shower here for the first time, maybe you want to run this water down maybe for like a minute, because maybe brown stuff will come out of it, and you will shower, you will drench yourself with brown or dirty water. Okay, so you guys just saw my first bed and bath. Let's close this now. Let's go into where I sleep, pretty much the master's bedroom. So as you enter, have basketball, always sleep ready. And yeah, I have blackout blinds, just like at the, I don't think you guys saw it in my other bedroom, but I have blackout blinds there. Even if it's 12 p.m. in the morning and the sun is striking, I can just put it down and it will be completely dark. Here's my bed. It's I think this is a double bed. It's a double-sized bed, and connected to this room is another bathroom. So I have pretty much a walk-in closet over here. Yep, there's a toilet over there. Closet over here, a bunch of drawers. Point, 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 point. A bunch of clothes that I hang over here. It's my uniform, pretty much red and navy blue. Another one over here, long sleeves. And yeah, that is pretty much it. That is my apartment. Thank you guys for watching, whoever's watching this. If you ever come visit, just let me know. Put it down in the comments. And yeah, see y'all later.